on TLV12, your 24-hour news source. This is 12 News Tonight.
Our community, Frank, is just incredible. We had 25,000 people in a miserable night show up last Wednesday night at the Gator Bowl to welcome us back. It's pandemonium in Jacksonville. And it's a great thing.
Jay Wayne Weaver does a little bragging about Jacksonville on national television.
Good evening, I'm Lee Webb.
And I'm Donna Hicken. Up front tonight, Jay Wayne Weaver, the man who is bringing pro football here to the First Coast, makes a special appearance on Monday Night Football.
Yeah, it happened just a few minutes ago. Jacksonville's hero tells a legion of professional football fans across the country why the First Coast deserves a team. Now, local supporters are gathered at the beaches to watch tonight's game and to listen to what Weaver had to say to the rest of the country.
12 News reporter Roger Weeder joins us now live from Strings Sports Bar. And Roger, it's been almost a week since the big announcement, but still I can tell a lot of excitement about the Jaguars.
Well, a lot of excitement, Donna, and anticipation that someday soon the Jaguars will be on Monday Night Football. Now, a few minutes ago when Jay Wayne Weaver was on national television, he drew a big applause here. Fans out here cannot wait for the Jaguars to be on Monday Night Football. Let me talk to a couple fans out here. Emery, did you ever think Jacksonville would be on Monday Night Football, at least with an owner?
Not at all. It's the best thing that's ever happened to Jacksonville. I hope this is what finally going to put Jacksonville on the map. And I think we got the best owner in football. We're going to have the best team in the whole NFL.
Okay. Chris, what do you think about it?
I think it's the best opportunity for Jacksonville. I was one of the first people in line to purchase 4 season tickets. I'm right there. First home game, first preseason game, I'll be there. The first home game, I'll definitely be there. I got tickets for the season for the next 3 years.
I see you got your Jaguar t-shirt on.
That's correct. I bought it like the moment they announced that Jacksonville had received the team.
So, Lee and Don, as you can tell, a lot of excited Jaguar fans here. And again, they hope someday, soon, the Jaguars are on Monday Night Football. Back to you.
Okay, Roger, it sounds like they're ready for a game tonight. Is there a lot of merchandise out there, a lot of T-shirts?
Yeah, there are a lot of people out here with Jaguar T-shirts, and they just like the look, and they can't wait for the team to come.
All right. Thanks, Roger.
Thanks, Roger. Well, this is not the first time Monday Night Football announcers have discussed Jacksonville.
That's right. Just 6 weeks ago, I-Team reporter Michael Dillon in Chicago for the first NFL owners meeting filed this report.
I talked to someone bigger than that, the dean of Monday Night Football, Kathy Lee's husband.
Well, I've never been to Jacksonville.
You haven't?
Maybe you ought to invite me.
How would you like to come on Monday night and do football games?
We enjoy and I don't mean it in an offensive way. I mean, we enjoy the smaller towns, like going into Denver, and I would presume Jacksonville would be much like that.
Well, of course, the Jaguars arrive in 1995. Maybe Frank will be here for the big debut.
Enjoy our small city a little bit. Well, if you didn't have a VCR handy the day the big decision came down, or if you missed the exciting coverage, we have the answer for you. Coming your way next week, all the highlights of the big announcement day on a video cassette. Stay tuned to 12 News to learn where you can get a VHS copy of Touchdown Jaguars, The Dream Comes True. Again, details are coming next week. Lee?
Also tonight, police are asking for your help in finding a bank robbery suspect.